Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, 2014. It's now 2:21 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all closed up. The S&P closed up. The 2000 level continues to be a serious resistance point, and we're seeing consolidation below it. We do remain in the long-term uptrend channel. The resistance level is at 2043. Support is at 1900 as seen by the green oval. The NASDAQ also closed up. Price remains in our medium-term uptrend channel. The next target is a 223% Fibonacci extension level at 4148. Support is at 3737. The US dollar closed down. It appears that 22.34 has become a short-term support point. Price is consolidating just above this point. The next target is 22.99. Long-term support has been moved to 21.81, as seen by the green oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, September 16th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are two strong currencies and one weak currency. The qualified pairs are the Canadian dollar yen and the US dollar yen. Here's our trade summary chart for September. For open trades, our carryover trade from August on the Euro-US dollar, it remains open, and we're still short 2 micros. Target number 2 is 1.2746. Our stop loss remains at 1.3031. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today. Let's now look at some price charts. First, we'll look at our open trade on the Euro-US dollar. We're short 2 micros, and target number 2 is 1.2746. Our stop loss is at 1.3031. Price is continuing to consolidate just below the bottom of this long-term downtrend channel. We'll now look at the price charts for our two qualified pairs. The first is the Canadian dollar yen. Price had broken out of this sideways channel, and it continues to be bullish. We would still be looking at a bullish trade. The second pair is the US dollar yen. Price had broken out of this sideways channel, and it's continuing to be bullish. We would be looking at a bullish trade. Let's now look at a couple of the popular Forex pairs to trade. The first is the pound Aussie dollar. We've had a significant bullish move over the last few days. Here's the pound US dollar. The pound has weakened quite a bit against the US dollar, and we're showing a slight retracement. I don't know that the bearishness is over yet. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the two indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.